Hey, hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this Python beginner tutorial series, today let's discuss about how to run a Python program from command line. Alright, in almost all of our previous videos, we used PyCharm IDE for running Python programs. Here we will discuss about how to use a Python command prompt for running the Python programs. The reason why we want to use Python command prompt is Python includes a command line for handling user input, mainly for handling user input and certain types of data entry during the execution of Python programs. So this will enable you to run more robust tasks and more interactive with the program, allowing users to enter data and perform otherwise impossible tasks. All right, so especially with any automation activities and all, running your Python programs in command prompt will be very useful. All right, let's see how we can do this. Before this, I will take a sample program which I have used in my one of my previous videos, and I will try to run the program in my IDE. Right, so here I have written a program to flatten a given list or an array. So now I'm gonna run this particular program. You can see I have given this nested list and it flattened me and returned a simple list. Okay, so this is a sample program that I have ran in my PyCharm IDE. Whereas let's see how we can run the same program from our command line. Alright, so let me open it again. Let me open command prompt. So this is my default folder. So in order to run your Python programs from the command line, first you need to make sure your Python is installed and up and ready, and you need to make sure it is added to the environmental variables too. First you need to verify it using python version. Yeah, so now I'm all set. I have my Python installed and all the environmental variables added too. So in case if this doesn't come up, please make sure you have set the environmental variables correctly and restart your machine once. I hope it will be back soon. All right, so now let me go to the path of the program. So this is the path where the program resides. So I can go to this particular path. All I need to do is just use this Python keyword, Python and program name dot py. So what is the program I'm trying to run? So it's flatten, right? So here it is, flatten list. So this is my program name dot py. Here it is. So as simple as that. All you need to do is pass Python and the program name. Make sure you add the .py extension at the last. So now you can see my program ran and my output is thrown in the console. Alright, so this is a very simplest way of running your Python program in the command line. I hope you guys understood how to run your Python program through command line. In our upcoming videos, we'll see a little more complex, like how to pass the arguments during runtime while running from command line and many more. Alright, so I hope you like this video. In case if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you.